Hello, and welcome back to Thomas Talks. Obviously, I'm Thomas, and today I'm going to be showing you an unboxing of a Louis Vuitton item that I got for my Christmas. So stay tuned for this video. So probably by the title of the video, you can probably guess what's going to be in here. It's got the orange interior. So I've had a mixed bag recently of some of them being just plain cardboard and some of the orange in various sizes. So I don't actually know the justification. But interesting story. This was ordered on a Wednesday, and it got home delivered from Sloane Street on the Thursday. I was really impressed. Wasn't expecting it actually until the January because there was no stock showing on the computer. It has got just a standard blue ribbon, nothing festive or cool and quirky going on. I do always like how they present these boxes with the bow. Sometimes I tear it and sometimes I just kind of slide it across to undo it. Being a kind of drawer style box, it's going to be easier to pull out. The grand reveal, da 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 da. We've got a little dust bag, and this is my first time actually having one of these kind of dust bags as well, with the kind of like draw string stuff at the top. Just standard dust bag, says Louis Vuitton on it, so we'll go ahead and get out little beauty. You can see there's a card here. What's it got on it? Yeah, just some coding for the product. So it's the kind of loop bracelet. I didn't actually realise until it arrived that part of it is kind of like the monogram eclipse canvas, and then the other side is like a lighter grey material. I probably need to look on the website and probably get the information to you when I do a review on this. However, if you can kind of see on camera, it's like slightly darker on this side. Hopefully you can see that popping across. But yeah, it's quite a neat style, so it's quite subtle. I quite like the dark colours. You can probably wear it more often than some of the other pieces I was looking at. Also like the kind of pin one they had, it was like the essays jackets. It's like a, I don't know, it's an unusual pin style that got going across, but I thought I'd go for this one, and it kind of loops through. So I'll do a full review video when I get the chance. However, if you can see, it kind of pulls through like that, and then you can just push that through like so, and just put it on your bracelet. So yeah, quite happy with that. What do you think about the bracelet? Do you like it? Do you love it? Comment below, and I'll see you next video. Make sure to subscribe to Thomas Talks below and help me get to 1,000 subscribers. That'd be fantastic. And yeah, if you're watching this in the new year, all the best for 2023. If you're watching this at the end of 2022, hopefully you have a good Hogmanay and festive period. Thanks very much for watching. Ciao.